In this lesson, we're going to implement user registration. When user click on sign in, we have sign up link. And when user click on it, we're going to build this beautiful create account form, get the information from user. And by clicking on sign up, we build a new user in the database and log in user automatically to the website. To get the source code, go to this link in the comment section. Lesson 11, create new user, and use this code to copy and paste throughout this lesson. Let's get to code. Here is the plan to create new user form. Let us start by creating a validator by Zod. Go to lib/validator.ts and right after sign in form schema, create sign up form schema. Use Zod.object to create the schema and pass this object. We have name of type string, minimum length 3, email of type string and email minimum length 3, password of type string minimum length 3, and confirm password like password. After defining a schema object, call refine function on this object. Get the data, here is the input data to validate, and check the password with confirm password. If password is equal to confirm password, it's okay. Otherwise, this error will be raised. The message is password do not match and the path is confirm password. So the error message appear on confirm password input box. Next step is creating format error function on utils.ts. Open utils.ts and after cn function, export const format error function. It accepts error of type any and return a string. What we're gonna do in this function is to find the type of error and return user-friendly error message. If the error name is Zod error, we convert the errors field of error and create an array of error messages. Then use join to join all errors together in single string value. If error is validation error, do the same. Otherwise, check the type of error message. If it's of type string, return it. Otherwise, convert it to the string using json.stringify. Save the code. Go back to plan. Step 3 is creating signup function in user.action.ts. Open user.action.ts. Right before signing.credential, here create user section. Define signup function as an async function and export it. It accepts two parameters, previous state of type unknown and form data of type form data. First of all, we need to validate data using signup form schema imported from validator and call parse method on this Zod object and pass the data. Here is the data from signup form. We implement signup form later in this lesson. We get username, email, confirm password, and password from signup form. If there is an error in data validation, the catch part handle error and send error message to the user. Let's import format error from utils folder. If everything is okay, it goes to this line. What we're gonna do here is to create random UUID using crypto package, get user information in the sign up form, including username, email, and password, and use hash sync from bcrypt.ts edge and hash the password and put it in the password field. So the password is not plain text object, it's encrypted data. Here we have the data, the user data to save in the database. It's time to insert this record into users table. Import db from @db/drizzle and import users from schema.ts. Then call values function, pass the values to this function. By running this command, this user will be created in the user table inside the PostgreSQL database. After creating user, it's time to sign in user automatically after sign up. We call sign in function from auth and pass user email and password. The user.password here is not encrypted, it's the plain password. If everything is okay, return back successful message. If there is an error, return the error message. Here, I'm checking duplicate key. If the error message contains this error, return this user-friendly message. Email is already exist. Otherwise, return the error message as it is. That's it about creating sign up action. Let's go for next step and creating default values for sign up form. Go to lib/constant/index.ts. Right after sign in default value, define sign up default value. All fields are empty. Next step is the most important part of this lesson. It's sign up form. Go to auth folder inside app auth. Create a new folder for sign-up. Inside that, create a new file. Set file name to signupform.tsx. Here is the code for sign up form. Export default function sign up form. Inside that, define use form state hook. The first parameter is sign up action from user action. We already imported here. Second parameter is default values. By default, success is false and there is no error message. Get data on action and use it in shaping the sign up form. After this, get the callback URL using use search params and then define sign up button. In this component, get the form status using use form status from React DOM here and check the pending. If pending is true, shape a button, make it disable. If pending is true, make it full width and use default variant. The button is coming from Shadcn UI. If pending is true, the caption is submitting. If it's false, show sign up button. At the end, we need to return the component of sign up form. We return a form when set action to the action from use form state. So when user click on sign up button, sign up function from user actions will be called. Inside this form, create hidden form like what we did in sign in function and pass the callback URL to the backend. After this, it's time to create the first input box. It's the username. Create a label and input box. Set the ID name to name and default values coming from sign up default values from constant folder. Similar, next input is for email, then password and confirm password. At the end, create a div and render sign up button. We already created this button in this file. Great. At the end, check data.success. If it's false, render data.message. Using text deconstructive, make it as red color, the error message. Then create a div to ask user if already have an account and render this link, sign in button, redirect user to the sign in form. That's it. Let's go and create page.tsx in sign up folder. Here, sign up form, new file, page.tsx. Here, export const metadata of type metadata and set the title of this page to sign up-app name. Import app name from constant folder. Then export default async function sign up. It's a server component. As parameter, we get the callback URL, then call auth function. If user is logged in, we redirect user to the callback because there is no need to sign up if user is already logged in. Otherwise, render sign up form. Create a card header image of the brand of the website. Set card title to create account. Card description, enter your information. And in the card content, render sign up form. We already created this form in the same folder. Great, we imported all stuff like this. And we are ready to test the result. Make sure npm run dev is running and go to localhost colon 3000. Click on sign in, sign up link, enter a name, Tom123 and click on sign up. Great, the user is created and we logged in with Tom. Here is the email and that's it. We successfully implemented sign up form. Let's test it again. Sign out and then click on sign in. Then try to log in with Tom123. Sign in. That's it. We logged in with Tom using sign in form. Let's run npx resultkit studio and open this link. Check the user and there we are. Tom is created successfully and the password is encrypted. The role of Tom is user. That's it about this lesson. Until next lesson. Bye-bye.